Hello lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I came out with this beautiful hairstyle, and here are the tools I'm going to be using in this video. And I'll just go ahead and start parting the hair using my parting stick. I always love using this parting stick because my daughter doesn't feel comfortable when I use the comb, and once I part it, then I will use the comb to make it shine. I just parted 2 braids at the back, and then in front I'm going to show you the other braids, but I couldn't continue parting her hair because she was really uncomfortable, so I decided to do it off camera. Now I'm just going to continue with each of the sections that I pre-parted. I'll just add a little bit of edge control, and then I use the comb to shine in the parting then before I start braiding. But from the back I'm going to just go ahead and braid it, but I will show you later how I did it. Again, I'll just add a little bit of edge control just to shine in my pattern, and then I'll go ahead and start braiding. And with this Brazilian wool, I already separated it and I cut it into the various lengths that I want, and you have to cut it depending on the length of the hair and the quantity or how thick you want the hair to be. So I already pre-arranged my hair, and then I'm just going to start picking it and using. So I'm going to be using 8 Brazilian wool, 8 strands of Brazilian wool, and then I'll braid the bottom of the hair like normal rasta braids. You can wrap it or you can start it anyhow you want, but in this one I'm just grabbing it once, and then I start braiding. Once I braid a little bit, then I will use 4 other strands of the Brazilian wool and start wrapping around the hair, and making sure that it doesn't tight too much at the bottom, because I wouldn't want her hair to break at the end of the day. So I will not hold it so tight at the bottom. Besides, she's having natural hair. I'll just continue rubbing the hair until I reach the end. Now I've reached the end of the hair, so I'll just make sure I secure it, and then I will remove part of the hair out. Then the remaining hair I'll cut it with the scissors. Then I use a gas lighter to burn the tip so that it can remain in place. Once that is done, I'll just measure the length in which I want the hair to be. Then I use the longer end. I start rubbing it again on top of the other one in a clockwise direction till I reach the bottom of the hair. Then I use the leftover hair that I left. I will use it now to secure it too at the bottom, so that it doesn't loose. I hope you understand what I mean. If you don't understand, I'm still going to show you with another one. While that is being done, I will leave you guys to enjoy some music while you wash the hair to the end. I will just continue with the same procedure till I finish the hair. Meanwhile, if you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for coming around, and I would love to see you always. And for my OGs, I love you so much. I really appreciate you for your support, for your love, and for your care. I really do appreciate you all.